just not the exam day. Every test that you're appearing for, you should take it as an exam. Wherever you are, you should just be focusing upon that. It should not be like my mind is running, "Maine ye bhi nahi padha, ye bhi nahi padha." That creates the panic. Take it easy, first of all. It's just an exam, not your life. Planning is the most important thing.
Hello and welcome to Cerebral Hum. और हमारे साथ है Dr. Karthik. Congratulations on clearing one of the toughest exams. And there are a lot of students watching you, Dr. Karthik. Just if you can let us know something about yourself, आपकी All India ranking क्या रही है, और साथ ही साथ what has inspired you to go ahead and pick up medical as a journey or path?
So, my name is Dr. Karthik Krishnatre. I completed my MBBS from GMC Haldwani. And I did my MBBS I was in 2018 batch. So basically, I gave my internship attempt as well, in which I got a rank of 9,041. But I was not satisfied with it. So I dropped my seat off and I began preparing again around like mid-Feb. And then now I got a rank of 765.
Wow.
Yeah. And what motivated me to pursue medicine was the depth it offers, because you can study as much as you want to. And it gives you the liberty, like, to which side do you want to go to? So I feel that was something that I wanted.
And this journey, as we know, is absolutely challenging. It's not easy, as you make it sound, though. What's your biggest obstacle or challenge that has been so far?
So not just the preparation phase, but throughout, I feel mental health is something that has to be stressed enough upon, because I myself have faced a lot of things. And during this preparation phase also, I did go through a lot of stuff, but you can obviously overcome it with the right mindset, right help from the right people. So yeah, pretty much.
Wow. Since you did bring that point of mental health up, I think there's a lot of pressure that gets created on the exam day. So for all our viewers, what tip would you want to give them to just ease off that pressure?
I feel just not the exam day. Every test that you're appearing for, you should take it as an exam. You should be in that environment कि आप 3 घंटे और कुछ नहीं करना है. No other thoughts. You cannot go for the breaks or watch something in between or cheat in the test. You cannot do that totally. You should give it like a real exam, firstly. Secondly, what helped me was I've been into therapy. So deep breaths is one thing.
Wow.
Then there is something called mindfulness. What that means is wherever you are, you should just be focusing upon that.
Absolutely.
Suppose if I'm sitting in front of the computer, I'll just train my mind कि अब आधे घंटे बाद questions आने वाले. It should not be like my mind is running, मैंने ये भी नहीं पढ़ा, ये भी नहीं पढ़ा. That creates the panic.
Okay, yeah, that sounds good. And any 3 tips that you want to go ahead and give to the students who are prepping up from your experience?
So take it easy, first of all. It's just an exam, not your life. Take it like an exam. Do not give everything to it, because you have a life and a name beyond that also. So take it as an exam first. Secondly, I feel planning is the most important thing. I cannot stress upon enough, because I myself used to plan everything, like what time am I taking for one subject, next day मुझे क्या करना है, एक subject में मुझे कितना time देना है. Everything should be planned. And third thing I would say is trust your sources. I've seen a lot of people switching sources just because उनके marks नहीं आ रहा. आप कुछ भी करो, just read one thing and read it wholly. उस पे पूरा trust रखो, उसी से आएंगे questions. That's all.
Oh, that's wonderful. And last, I would want to go ahead and hear a little more about your experience with Cerebral Academy and who's your favorite faculty.
So my experience with Cerebellum Academy have been pretty good. So as I told you, I was studying during my internship as well. So in my internship, I only did BTR. So most obviously, Zenam ma'am has to be my favorite faculty. Yeah, but when I was...
She's everyone's favorite, by the way.
Yeah, totally. So when I took the drop, like when I left off my seat in mid-Feb, uske baad I started exploring Cerebellum more. Then I came across the A&Ds, which are wonderfully curated, to be honest. Then there are a few faculties which I again followed for the main notes. So yeah, all in all, it was an amazing experience.
Wow. And thank you so much, Dr. Karthik, for sharing your wonderful experience. A lot of people watching you are definitely getting inspired, including me. Thank you so much, and keep doing the wonderful job that you're doing.
Thank you.
Thank you.